My son is graduating. So it is graduation season, and I had to get some of these graduation supplies. So thank you so much for sending these to me. And you're going to get 25 of these 9-inch plates, 25 of these 7-inch plates, as well as 25 9-ounce cups. How perfect is that? It also comes with this festive banner as well as this festive tablecloth. Now, I'm going to put this on a different table, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like, and it looks amazing. Plus, of course, you need some napkins, right? How festive is all of this? Our party is going to be fantastic, and I'm so excited. And having these decorations really adds a nice touch. Here's a close-up of what the 9-inch plate looks like, and it says, "Congrats, Grad," with the diploma and the cap. And this is what it looks like. Nice, thin paper plate. Perfect. I like that it also has indentation for everybody to put their food in. And this is what the 7-inch dessert cake plate looks like. Also made of paper and says, "Congrats 2026. And here are the Congrats Grad napkins. They are perfect. Love this black, gold, and white theme going. This looks really snazzy. And of course, everybody's going to have a fun time partying, and you need to get your drink on. These are 9-ounce cups. Perfect. And here's a close-up of the tablecloth. Look how nice this is. And it is a nice plastic material, so it's going to be easy to wipe down and protect my tables from any spills. And cake too. I am super impressed with the quality of these. They look fantastic, and I am so excited to start partying with everybody. We are going to have a blast celebrating my son's graduation. So thank you so much for watching, and hope you guys all have an awesome graduation too. Congratulations!